let's take a closer look into your inbox. Being in the home, you have your inbox right on top. And what this inbox is going to do is it is giving you a whole bunch of notifications. So you can see we have nothing in primary right now. You might see bot notifications in there when things have gotten assigned to you based on your notification settings. Some will show up in here, some won't. Others are your collection of other notification of, cool, something is overdue. Again, you have the possibility to customize this to within your notification settings, as well as some in here. You can snooze notifications and you can also clear them all. So let's go into other. What happens here is you can mark it as read or as unread based on what you need to do. You can snooze a notification similar to what I do in Gmail email. Is when I know I'm like, can't deal with it right now, bring it back up tomorrow. You just snooze it and tell it for how long to snooze it, or you clear the notification. You can also clear them all, and if you cleared them, you can find them in here again too, so don't worry about it. However, cleared notification will empty out within 30 days. Your snoozed ones, let me show you. If I snooze that till later this week, will show up in snoozed. You can filter them by mention, so when you have been mentioned in something, if you have been assigned to it, or if it's unread. And that comes down to really having standard operating procedures for your notifications, as well as having your notifications cleaned up and set up how I showed you in the other video. Let's dive into the next training.